Our mind produces 60,000 thoughts every day. Sometimes it really becomes difficult how to manage these thoughts. Sometimes we really don't understand how to just calm down this mind and be with peace. So is it really possible to stop the mind from producing thoughts? No. Then what's the solution? So come, let's understand with an analogy. So let's suppose there is this important meeting going on at your home. Meanwhile, your little 1-year-old is playing around. Sometimes crying, sometimes laughing, sometimes wanting your attention so much that it is coming continuously near you. Sometimes annoying you. So what will you do then? Will you start showing all kinds of emotion? The love you are feeling, sometimes the anger you are feeling, or if the child gets hurt, the sadness you are feeling. Will you start portraying everything in front of that Zoom meeting, which you know is very important? Or rather, you will select to hold those emotions for a while, let the child do whatever he or she is doing, because you are also monitoring at the same time, and have your full focus on the meeting. Obviously, the second one. Because at that point you know that no matter how much you love your child, but this is not the right time to pay attention to each and every activity of the child, which most of the time is meaningless. Because the child is just doing it because he has to do it. It is a tendency of a child. In the same way, if you tackle your mind with that similar approach, love your mind, but just be selective in responding to it. You have to understand that it's not at all necessary to pay attention to each and every thought that the mind is producing, because 90% of them are actually meaningless. Yes, they are actually meaningless. So if we start practicing this approach in our daily life, we'll come to notice that there is no need to shut up the mind or to do something extraordinary to calm it down. It is like both of us will start coexisting together, just as we are continuing with our meeting and the child is playing. So that was one very important tool that works wonderfully while tackling mind. It has worked for me and I hope the same for you. Jai Shri Hari, have a great day.